Ever wonder why, despite our giant leaps in space exploration, some destinations still seem impossibly far away? I mean, we've walked on the moon. We've got rovers on Mars. So why haven't we sent humans to Mars, Mercury, or even Jupiter? Today, we're going to dive into the real reasons behind the challenges of space travel and uncover the truth about our solar system's most difficult destinations. Let's start with a shocker. It's not Mars that's the most challenging planet to visit, it's actually Mercury. I know, surprising, right? It's not just the scorching temperatures reaching a brutal 806 degrees Fahrenheit. The real problem? Speed and proximity to the Sun. You see, the closer a spacecraft gets to our star, the faster it accelerates, making it incredibly difficult to control. That's why so many probes have been lost trying to explore the Sun's neighborhood. This creates a massive space travel challenge, as probes need specialized heat shields and must use a risky, multi-planetary route to slow down enough to be captured by Mercury's gravity. Next up is Mars, the planet everyone's talking about. It's a huge step up from low Earth orbit. We're not just talking a few hundred kilometers, but millions of kilometers, roughly 55 million at the closest approach. In fact, a single trip to Mars is like a million trips to the International Space Station. This requires massive fuel, extended life support, and protection from radiation that we're still working on. Just to get there and back, a Mars mission could need between 850 and 1,250 tons of fuel, which is why we will need multiple launches to assemble a spacecraft big enough to make it. Now, what about the gas giants? Take Jupiter, for example. While getting to Jupiter is relatively easy thanks to its massive gravitational pull, putting a spacecraft into orbit around it is a whole different ballgame. It's not just speed, but also the intense radiation and the lack of a solid surface. Then there's Saturn and Uranus and Neptune, all presenting their own unique space travel challenges, due to extreme distances, the need for nuclear power sources, and frigid temperatures. And let's not forget about the dwarf planet Pluto, so far away that it took the New Horizons probe over 9 years to reach it. The mission was a monumental feat, and even then it was just a flyby. It wasn't even captured by Pluto's gravity, and finally, there's Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our solar system. It's so far away that even at the fastest speeds, it would take a probe thousands of years to arrive. That's why scientists are working on revolutionary propulsion like laser sails, because with current technology, it's just impossible. So why is it so hard to go to the planets? The answer is, it's complicated. Space is vast, the physics is tricky, and the technology is incredibly complex. These are challenges we can still overcome. Now I want to hear from you. What space mission or question do you have? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into space exploration.